Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today a requested recipe Kadai Paneer. So let's start directly. Here I have made it very easy for you all friends as I always do. Here I have taken some white oil in my yolk, and when it is moderately hot I will be adding the paneer which I have marinated with a little bit of salt, red chili powder and lemon juice. Half of the lemon juice goes here, which I have marinated for 20 minutes, and then I'll fry them till they are a little bit crisp, not too much, but when they changes their color into golden. It took me 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. This is exactly how I wanted them to look. Now I will be removing them from the pan. Do not over fry. If you over fry them, they will become too crisp from outside, and from inside they will become soggy, which is not desired here. So in the same oil, before that let me show the paneer how it was. It's exactly like this. Now here to this same oil I am going to add some petals of onion and capsicum. I will be frying these till they become transparent, but they do not lose their crunch. But even if they lose their crunch, really doesn't matter. What you have to do is do not over fry them, just fry them till they changes their color. I'll show them exactly like this I wanted them to be. It took me only 2 minutes on high flame. Now in the same oil I will be adding a little bit of oil, a little bit, 1 teaspoonful like. To this I am adding 2 green cardamom, some peppercorn. Let it splutter nicely. Cumin seeds, half a teaspoonful of. I will be giving all the details in the description box of the ingredients. You can check from there. 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. Let everything mix and splatter together very nicely. To this goes 1 medium chopped onion. Here I have used paneer 200 grams. To this I am adding 1 medium sized onion chopped. This chopping you can do according to your own choice. Need not to be very finely chopped. It can be roughly chopped also. Now fry this nicely. When they are fried and little bit golden in color, add 1 large tomato chopped I have added here, and some salt so that it will hasten the softening of the tomatoes. To be on the safer side, I would prefer covering it for some time so that the tomatoes will become soft very nicely. Cover it for 1 or 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I'll show you friends, all the tomatoes have very nicely softened, and this is exactly what again I wanted. Now this I will be transferring in a mixie bowl, and I'll make a puree out of it. I'll show you how it has turned out to be. This is the puree. Now let us take the same yolk, and a little bit of oil again is added to it, and 1 stick of cinnamon and 2 bay leaves. When they start splattering, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoonful directly to the oil here, and the puree goes here. Friends, I wanted to tell you one thing. If you want some flame, you can add direct red chili powder. I have added Kashmiri red chili powder. Now goes the puree and some water after washing the mixie jar, say half a cup of. Now goes 1 tablespoonful of coriander powder, a little bit of turmeric, say a pinch of turmeric, and now adjust your seasoning at this point of time because we have already added salt while we were frying the tomatoes, and our paneer was also marinated with some salt, so be careful while adding your salt. Now fry this till the oil separates and it starts boiling vigorously. I'll show you friends, this is what exactly It has started boiling very nicely and the color has also changed. At this point of time, I'm going to add the capsicum and the onion petals. Those were fried softly. After giving a nice mix to it, now I will be adding the fried paneer and mix everything very softly. Do not do anything vigorously or very strongly. Give it a very gentle mix and your gravy is ready. A little bit of coriander leaves freshly chopped and your dish is ready to serve. Now friends, trust me and try it. It's really going to gain you a lot of appreciation. Thank you for watching. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Keep me in your prayers.